On this machine with Sinumerik A40D SL CNC, we're gonna talk about 3 alarms that are related to the dual fan battery module. This is the NCU, and the module is underneath that contains the battery and the dual fan. So you have to press. If you have this the battery alarm, you need to change the battery with the machine on. Do not turn it off because you are gonna lose the data. So let's press and pull down, and this is the way you remove the module. Let me show you on the CNC. We'll see 3 alarms, and the alarms are, as you see, 2100, which is a warning threshold alarm, NCK battery warning threshold alarm. The N2101, the battery alarm, because we removed the alarm, and 2120, NCK fan alarm, which is the alarm related to these 2 fans, one on the top and one on the bottom. And here you'll see in green the battery that is right there. So the battery is a lithium battery, 3 volts lithium battery, and as I said, you have to change it with the machine, turn it on. Okay, thank you.